Welcome back to the channel. This is remove background from photos automatically. So guys, we will be using PhotoRoom application. So make sure to download this into your device. It will be available on the Google Play Store. And now just simply download it and open it up. And now from here, when you open it up, you should be able to just simply take a photo and should be able to remove the background. And just simply tap on continue. And from here, just simply answer the survey. I'm going to go for Play Store. And after that, I'm going to go for personal use. And I'm going to go for something else and tap on continue. And right away, it will redirect us to select a photo. So tap on select a photo down below and tap on allow. And just simply select a photo from your gallery. And as you can see, I use our mobile background and automatically the background will be removed once you select a photo, and you will just simply tap on start creating. And after that, as you can see, we could add a layers on it. We could insert another picture on the second tool. We could add a text. We could add a different background as you can see over here. And we could add shadows as well. And we could resize the picture as well. So pretty much over here, it will be instantly removing your background. So this application specializes on removing the background. And once you are done with everything, you can just simply select export. And after that, guys, it will be automatically saved into your gallery. And now when we go to our gallery, as you can see, it is now been removed. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.